1.5 out. Gap in the plug's about where it belongs now. Just a little bit of throttle. It seems it wants to really go more than when you open the throttles up. I don't have the boots on it yet, again, but just trying to get a little more tuned up before I put those boots on, because they're kind of hard to do. It starts up easy enough anymore. So each cylinder has about 115, 120 pounds of compression. Just out here a little bit ago with that, giving it a shot. So it's got compression. It's coming along. I guess it's not too awfully bad considering it's free. Well, technically not free, really cheap. Essentially, we bought a trailer that came with a snowmobile.